The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the holy is understanding.
The Lord my shepherd, he doth lead through valleys green and pastures sweet. Beside still waters he restores my soul, guiding my path, taking control. Wisdom whispers, fear not the unknown, for in his grace you'll never be alone. Though I may walk through darkest night, where shadows fall and fears take flight, your rod and staff, they comfort me. No evil shall befall, for you are with me. Wisdom, counsels, seek truth above all, for in his word you'll surely stand tall. Even in the valley of the shadow of death, for you are near my breath. Your grace abounds, a constant flowing stream. In you I trust, fulfill my every dream. Wisdom teaches, patience is the key to unlock blessings eternally. Prepare a table, rich and grand, before my foes, your loving hand. You anoint my head with oil so fine, my cup overflows, your love divine. Wisdom urges, let your kindness shine, reflecting his love, a light divine. Even in the valley of the shadow, whispers, eternity awaits for those who trust and patiently wait. Though trials come and sorrows may arise, your mercy shines a light before my eyes. Forevermore my heart will sing your praise in all the days throughout my earthly ways. Even in the valley of the shadow of death, I will not fear, for you are near my breath. Your grace abounds, a constant flowing stream. In you I trust, in you I fulfill my every dream. Wisdom's final word, love conquers all. Embrace his love and answer his call. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart,